At the end of October last year, Apple introduced a line of tablets iPad Pro. Then the company for the first time showed a model with a 1 TB drive. It is noteworthy that it was this modification that also differed in the amount of RAM. And it seems that Apple will adopt this practice. The Japanese edition of Makotakara reports that only certain models of the iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Max will get a triple camera. According to the source, the triple camera module will be exclusive for the most expensive versions of the iPhone 11 and iPhone 11 Max. Insiders emphasize that this option will be available only in configurations of 256 GB and 512 GB of internal memory. Other modifications will be equipped with a dual camera. The reason for this step, the source does not report. By the way, this information is at variance with the information of the authoritative publication Bloomberg. Earlier it was reported that an array of 3 cameras will receive only the iPhone 11 Max, while the iPhone 11 and iPhone 11R will be equipped with a dual module. It is possible that Apple has changed its plans at the last moment. In fact, this is not the first time that Apple intentionally restricts basic versions of smartphones. In 2016, Apple introduced the black onyx color for iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus. This color was offered only in versions of 128 and 256 GB. Then it could be explained by a complex production process. The anodizing process consisted of 9 stages, plus polishing. At the same time, about 30 to 40% of the iPhone did not pass the quality check and were sent for additional processing.